Hi God's lovely people, welcome back to my channel Alice Creative Designs, where the world of creativity is activated. We're continuing the 3-part tutorial how to crochet the Shenseea lighter inspired crochet lace bathing suit. Now this is part 3. In part 3 we will crochet the panty part of the bathing suit, and I'll be changing the needle as well. We'll be working with a 2.5mm needle. So we'll start by making 11 chain stitches, and counting from the end we will count back 2 chains to make a double crochet in chain number 9. Thereafter we'll make 8 double crochet in each chain. To start this row, we'll make 2 chain stitches, and we will turn and double crochet in the next double crochet until the end of the row. We will repeat the steps until there are 10 rows of double crochet stitches, and this will form the seat of the panty. Having completed the seat of the panty, we'll now make the front and back section, and we'll start by making 2 double crochet in the first double crochet, and then we'll double crochet in the next double crochet, and when we get to the end of the row we will make 2 double crochet in the last double crochet, as you can see in the video. We will then continue until we have the desired length for the front of the panty, and then we'll turn and start the other side for the back part of the panty, and we'll continue by making 2 double crochet in the first double crochet and double crochet in each of the next double crochet, and at the end of the row we'll make 2 double crochet, and we will continue for the desired length for the back part of the panty. We will then attach the straps to the sides of the bra. We can use the same strap that we use in tutorial 2 for the bra and attach them to the sides. Thereafter we will make the picots at the top of the front and back part of the panty. So we'll start by making 4 chain stitches and slip stitch at the base, and then single crochet in the next 2 double crochet before making another picot. So So upon making the 4 picots on the front part of the panty, we're going to connect the one side of the bra section. Ensure that it is positioned in such a way that when the connection is made, the right side of the bra is showing. So you do that by turning, just follow along the video by turning the opposite sides together. Count out 4 picots on the midsection, and then we're going to slip stitch in the 4th picot. Make a single crochet in the next double crochet, and then slip stitch in the next picot. Make a single crochet in the next double crochet and slip stitch in the next picot. Make a single crochet in the next double crochet and slip stitch in the next picot, and then you will make a single crochet and continue the picot along the front part of the underwear until it's time to connect the next side of the bra. Ensure that it is even on both sides. We have come to the end of this tutorial. I trust that you did enjoy making this bathing suit. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Please like this video, comment down below, let me know how it was for you, and please share with a friend. Thank you so much for watching. Tune in for our next videos.